In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Webflow paid subscription plan. By following these steps, you will successfully terminate your subscription without any hassle. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard, open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main dashboard interface displaying your projects. Next, locate the Sites option on the left sidebar. This section lists all your active projects. Click on Sites to access your different Webflow projects. After this action, you should see a grid or list of your sites displayed on the screen. After that, look for the specific site for which you want to cancel the subscription. Click on the site name to enter its project settings. You will recognize you are in the correct section when the project dashboard appears, showing various tabs and settings related to your site. Now find the billing tab on the left sidebar of the project dashboard. Clicking this will take you to the billing overview for your site. Once the billing page loads, you should see all the details about your current subscription plan, including the payment cycle and next billing date. Then look for the option labeled Cancel Payment on the billing page. This option is usually presented in a prominent position, often highlighted or in a different color. Click on Cancel Payment to proceed with the cancellation process. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision to cancel your subscription. If a confirmation prompt appears, read the information carefully. It may outline the implications of canceling your subscription, including whether you will retain access until the end of your billing cycle. Confirm your decision by clicking the appropriate button, such as Yes, Cancel, or Confirm. You should see a message indicating that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Once you receive the confirmation message, take a moment to review any final details regarding your account status. It is advisable to check if there are any remaining charges or if you need to take further actions regarding your account. Make sure to log out of your Webflow account after you have completed the cancellation process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.